How to use Claude for writing in 5 minutes. Want to write faster, better, and with less stress? Today I'll show you how to use Claude AI, one of the smartest writing assistants in 2025, and I'll do it in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student, blogger, or content creator, Claude can help you brainstorm, draft, and polish your writing instantly. Let's get started. So, what is Claude? Claude is an AI chatbot built by Anthropic. It's like ChatGPT, but with a unique focus on safe, thoughtful, and long-form writing. Unlike some other AI tools, Claude is designed to handle really big documents. You can paste in an entire essay, article, or even a book chapter, and it won't choke. That makes it perfect for anyone who writes a lot and needs clear, well-structured results. Getting started is easy. Step 1. Go to Claude AI and sign up for free with your email. Step 2. Once you're inside, you'll see a simple chat window, just like ChatGPT. Step 3. Type your request. For example, Claude, help me write an introduction for an essay about climate change. In just a few seconds, you'll get a polished draft you can use immediately. Now let's look at how Claude can actually help you write better. Brainstorming ideas. 1. Example. Give me 5 blog post ideas about productivity for students. 2. Claude generates fresh, creative angles instantly. 3. Drafting essays and articles. For example, write a 500-word draft on the benefits of renewable energy, structured with an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Claude gives you a full draft in seconds. Editing and polishing, paste your own writing and say, rewrite this in a more professional tone, or shorten this paragraph to 2 sentences. Summarizing texts, upload or paste a long article, ask, summarize this in 200 words for a school report. Creative writing, Claude can help with poetry, dialogue, or story drafts. Prompt, write a short story about a student who invents an AI to pass exams. To get the best results with Claude, here are some quick tips. Be specific. The clearer your instructions, the better the output. Set structure. Tell Claude how many words, paragraphs, or sections you need. Use feedback loops. If you don't like the first draft, say, try again with more detail, or make it simpler for high school level. Paste big docs. Take advantage of Claude's long memory. It can handle way more text than most AI tools. With just a little prompting skill, Claude becomes a powerful writing partner. Claude is great for students who need essay drafts or summaries, bloggers and freelancers writing articles fast, professionals drafting reports or emails, creators who want story ideas or scripts. Basically, if you write, Claude can save you hours. And that's how to use Claude for writing in just 5 minutes. From brainstorming to drafting to polishing, Claude does it all. The best part? You can try it free right now at Claude.ai. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more AI tools that make your life easier. And check the description. I've linked some of my favorite AI tools that pay you to write smarter.